new to my channel, welcome to Self-Love. So in today's video, as you guys could tell by the title, I'll be doing a chunky strawberry bowl. They sell it at Jamba Juice and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to try it for myself. So I'm going to be showing you guys the ingredients that we'll be using today, and maybe you guys could do it at home also, so you guys could try it and save money by just doing it at home. But yeah, before we continue on with the rest of the video, if you came across this channel and you are not yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, leave a thumbs up, and comment videos you guys would like to see from me. And yeah, let's just continue on with the rest of the ingredients. You're gonna need some strawberries. For my sister, I'm gonna do a vegan version, so I got her the cashew milk vanilla yogurt, bananas, granola. This is a vegan granola. Almond milk, you could pick whatever milk you want, and then this is a vanilla yogurt. So yeah, these are the ingredients. You could add any other fruits or peanut butter. Peanut butter is a part of the recipe too, but personally I don't like the peanut butter in it. So yeah, these are the ingredients that we'll be using today. I'm going to be using a blender like this. You could use a NutriBullet or a Ninja, whatever you prefer. So yeah, we're going to be using this. I put half a cup of milk, so now I'm going to put it in the blender. So now I'm going to put the milk in. Then for her, since it's small, I'm going to put the full cup of yogurt. Just like so. And she wanted peanut butter, so we're going to add peanut butter to hers. So I'm starting off with 6 frozen strawberries. And then we're gonna blend, and if we need to add more, then we're gonna add more to make it thicker. So I'm gonna add a little bit more strawberries to make it more thicker. So I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. Going to put it together. That's how it looks. You guys can hardly see. I'm going to add the fruit. Make it look cute. Like that banana or more? You said 4 pieces? So now we're gonna add the granola. So this is the final look of my sister's one, and I'll just show you guys afterwards mine fast forward because it's pretty similar. So now I'm going to start with mine. I'm gonna put a lot less milk because I don't want a lot. I know I'm not gonna finish it, so wait, that should be fine.
That was the same amount, but yeah.
Oh, seriously? Okay, I'm just gonna put the rest of this whole bag. I'm gonna have to add some more. Adding my yogurt. And with the yogurts, both of the yogurts, I put it in the freezer before so it could be extra like cold and make it a lot more thicker. Because the recipe I saw, they didn't do that. I opened up a new bag of strawberries. I might get too much. 9 likes. Today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave comments down below if you guys, what you guys think about it. Did it look good? Are you planning on doing it? But yeah, comment down below. The only thing that I would change about the recipe, instead of using vanilla yogurt, I would probably use like a plain tart or strawberry. But overall, it was still so freaking good. It doesn't taste exactly like Jamba Juice, but it's like literally pretty similar. So yeah, I suggest you guys try it out. And yeah, before you leave this video, and also if you came across this whole video the whole time, thank you so much for watching it all. But yeah, if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Leave a like and comment any videos you guys would like to see from me. And yeah, hashtag self-love is the best love. See you guys in my next video.